Hola, soy la profe. I'm back again, right? So I wanted to take a minute to talk to you all about the makeup module that I'm posting. I promised everybody that we would have a way for you to make up your grade. So I'm going to post a module. The module will have around 8 to 10 different assignments in it. I'm going to pull out the most important grammar and vocabulary points for you to know for going forward. And that's what you're going to do instead of doing the myriad of assignments that were not turned in. This module by itself is going to be worth a letter grade. So if you're currently failing, you will have a D if you complete it. If you have a D, you can have a C, etc. If you have an A or B and you want some extra credit, go for it, or just some extra practice. So here's the deal. You will have to complete the module and keep up with those work that I've got going from the test forward, okay? So here's how you find it. If we start at our home page, you'll just click modules on the side under home like normal. And then it's right here at the top. Some of the names may change as I'm reworking the assignment. That's fine. All of the assignments will be loaded by, at the very, very latest, Sunday night. I'm trying to have them done at this point. The goal would be by Friday or Saturday night. However, with the conferences, grades, and everything else we've got going on this close to the end of the quarter, it may take me there to get all of the assignments on. However, you will have them as soon as I get them up and started. Now, here's the deal too. There is no partial credit for this. I repeat, you cannot get partial credit for this unit or for this module. You will have to complete the entire Repaso and Recovery unit in order to get the grade bump. Be sure you're taking notes. I'm going to provide video explanations and sometimes even notes for you to write down because you're going to need them. The students who have been taking notes have told me it helps. If you notice, you are allowed to use your notes on the test. So keep in mind, these notes are critical to you and making sure that you understand and are successful next quarter. But you'll find it here. Here are some themes. Don't stress, these themes might change as I think about ways to better combine some or something that's more important. The one that will be activated in just a few minutes for sure is the pronouns, and the alphabet will probably be activated tonight. Don't wait until Saturday or Sunday to try to complete all of this. By Wednesday evening, you will no longer be able to complete anything else on these modules, okay? Because I have to have everything graded before I leave work on Thursday, which is next Thursday, which is the end of the quarter. One last thing to remind everybody of, any work you've already turned in will be graded and grades will be updated. Please be patient. Most of the assignments I'm grading are late work, which means I'm having to go back and find your assignments and everyone else's. Your grades will fluctuate in the next few days as I start to put zeros in for things you have not turned in. Again, this module is your savior. Complete the entire module. Completing 8 to 10 assignments and making sure you know what you need to know to keep up going forward is a lot better than going back and trying to complete 15, 20, 25 assignments that were before. Okay? Let me know if you have questions. Click the inbox over here on the lower left. Send me a message on Canvas. Let me know in class. Send me an email because I want you guys to be successful and I want all of us to be able to be successful going forward. Adios. Hasta pronto.